So hello guys, welcome to our stream. Today it's another Monday again. But for today, instead of doing our usual swing trading, we'll be doing more of intraday trading, which is taking more day trading opportunities. So if this is your first time on my live stream, please kindly help me do the YouTube business and smash that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification as well. So with that already said, let's get straight. Let me share with you some of the best setups today. So over here, I'm going to do a live analytics so you get to see the strategy I'm using and also learn from it as well. So you can kindly help me by liking this video as well so that YouTube get to show it to more people. So whilst waiting to get started, let me just share the live stream link to my Telegram community. If you want to join my Telegram community, you can actually use the link that is available in the video description. So just give me a minute right now. Let me share the link with them through my mobile phone. So the first pair on our list is actually GBP USD, which is one of the most stable pairs, as you all know, when it comes to the 4-hour time frame, before deciding to go lower. So let me just drag the market together. So GBP USD, as you can see, is currently on a consistent uptrend. We had this heavy market shift from this area. For those of you who are new, market shift simply stand for change of character, but I go with the word market shift. So we have market shift right here, and then you can see, let me just drag this over. Despite having that market shift, the market is kind of creating a resistant area here. Since on the 24th of September, which is last week. See, we are having this area of resistance right at the top here as well. And then this down here will be considered as a recent area of support. Let me just mark it out perfectly. First, let me mark the pip difference from here. Okay, that's about 126 pips. So I'm just going to mark here as well. So now the reason I'm marking these two places is because the market is trying to range in between these two areas. So we'll be looking forward to trade and target just these two areas and nowhere else. For that, to drop down to the 1 hour time frame to see if there are any structures for us to look into. On the 1 hour time frame here, we have top 1, top 2. So the market is on a fourth top movement actually. But whilst looking into that as well, we can see this old demand level here. We have this demand level right here. But then this is not our main concern. We are just marking it out to see in case the markets have any chance of reacting to it. So let us go down to the 30-minute time frame. So looking at this market right now, the market is currently in an uptrend. And when the market is in an uptrend, we're only looking for buying opportunities. And if you look at it right now, considering what is going on in the US dollar isn't really that strong, even though the market is trying to create a resistance point within this area. So for that reason, I will still focus on identifying more demand rather than supplies, because selling this kind of market right now is really risky because the pound is very strong whilst the dollar is really weak lately. So here we have our first demand, and then the next demand we'll have should have been this place here, but it has been mitigated. So for that reason, we are taking a look at this area here as our demand. So here becomes our demand level here. So let me just change it to levels. Now that's our demand level right there on GBP USD. You guys see the market is on, until the market sweep at this particular level here, we are still, until the market is able to successfully sweep at this place here, we'll still consider ourselves as an uptrend, because currently looking at the market right now, the market is just struggling within this top area, meaning it's finding difficulty coming down. Remember, when it comes to trading supply and demand, you only want to focus on the market direction. And here you also have a trend line as well. So you have your first touch here, your second touch right here. Now you could be waiting for the third touch, which is the one that will come into this area of demand that we just identified. So if you know how to trade trend line, you know what I just did right now.